Today we'll be discussing about metadatas. In short, meta titles and meta descriptions which appear on the SERP snippet when you are working on any SEO campaign on the planet. So before diving in, let us first understand what is meta title and what is a metadata. So basically meta title and metadata or meta description is nothing but an HTML property of title and an HTML property of description that defines what is the context and the topic of a page about, known as meta title, and also the description of what the page is all about in a short summary, known as meta description. Meta titles should be less than 55 characters including of spaces, and meta descriptions can be between 130 to 155 characters including spaces. As you can see from the screen, this is an example as how a meta title appears on a search snippet, and also as you can see from the screen, this is an example of how a metadata is appearing on a screen. Now moving on to the next part, these are some of the best practices, as you can see from the screen, which can help us to optimize the meta title. And as you can see from the screen, these are some of the best practices which can help you to optimize for the meta description. The four main key takeaways from this discussion is that metadatas, which forms the part of meta title and meta descriptions, forms the main SERP snippet before beginning of any customer journey, because these are the things which a user sees before they click into your landing page. So make sure they are best, make sure they are written well, and make sure that this is in relevant with the topic which the user is searching. Point number 2, always make sure that your meta title and your meta description respects the character limits, else they will be truncated. Point number 3, always follow the best practices as shown in the video for optimizing your meta titles and the meta descriptions. Last but not the least, make sure that your meta title and your meta descriptions are also optimized for proper click-through rate. You can use proper separators, you can use your brand name, you can use some conversational statements, because like in a particular landing page on the search engine, there can be near about 10 meta descriptions available from 10 different websites, and your metadata needs to stand out in the crowd if people want to click on that, and that would eventually improve your click-through rate, and this can give you a wide range of SEO benefits. So it's an ardent request that please make sure that your meta descriptions and meta titles are well optimized for the CTR, because this should be the last click for the users, and you need to make sure that you deliver all the information what the user wants. So thanks for watching this video.